There might be a new meme master in town, guys. Tron and SunPump pass up Pump.fun and Solana. Now, I don't know if this is going to continue on this way or if this is some sort of a fad where people are moving over to Tron and trying to make as much money as possible over in those tokens. But we do need to discuss this because, if anything, it shows us that people are still interested in memes. And the fact that we've got this much meme activity going on in the cryptocurrency space is an excellent sign for tiny little tokens like Pepe Unchained. Guys, Pepe Unchained just passed $10 million raised today. We're going to be talking about it in this video. We're going to be going over that article, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. We're going to be going over these guys in a second, but congratulations to the team. Congratulations to anybody who has bought in so far. $10 million in inflows is a huge amount of money. Guys, this is absolutely incredible, and if you find yourself interested in buying at any time during this video, make sure you use that link down in the description below or the pinned comment. We're going to come back to these guys in a second, but check this out, man. SunPump flips Pump.fun in daily meme coins as traders shift to Tron. Tron's new meme coin launchpad, SunPump, appears to have stolen the attention of degenerate traders from leading Solana platform Pump.fun, with a recently launched rival responsible for more new tokens over the last day. Pump.fun has dominated this year's meme coin market with many of the biggest winners such as Billy, Mishi, and having launched via the protocol. At its peak, Pump.fun was being used to launch over 20,000 tokens a day, drawing over $2 million in revenue as a result. But these numbers have taken a hit since SunPump launched last week, and over the past 24 hours, SunPump has launched 7,352 tokens, according to blockchain data from Dune, while Pump.fun has fallen behind with 5,694 new tokens during the same span. Last Tuesday, Tron creator Justin Sun introduced SunPump to the world, with the token creator branded as the first meme fair launch platform. Look, guys, I don't know if this is going to continue on in this direction or not, but what this goes to show me, two things you can see in this article here. Number one, we are still very, very far off from the recent highs that we were hitting with over 20,000 tokens a day being created. Now we're doing 5,600 tokens a day. That is a drastic difference in the amount of people creating tokens out there, and an indicator that retail interest may be slightly lower than where it was before. Now, the next thing you got to look at is we're still doing okay, man. People are still creating nearly 13,000 different tokens on a daily basis, just split between these two platforms right now. Now, clearly, you guys know that with 13 to 20,000 tokens being created on a daily basis, not every single one of these can be a winner. It takes a lot to build up a token, and it takes a lot to build up a community. And honestly, that's what Pepe Unchained is doing. $10 million in inflows just in the last month and a half is an incredible testament to the strength of Pepe Unchained and this layer 2 blockchain that they are building. This is not a meme coin like all other meme coins. They come today, they're gone tomorrow, and they launch and then that's it. These guys are building a layer 2 blockchain with instant bridging between the Ethereum and Pepe chain, the lowest transaction fees in the game. It's 100 times faster than Ethereum, and it's going to have its own dedicated block explorer. Now, if you guys are interested, all you got to do is click that link down in the description below. You're going to click on Connect Wallet. Now, I use Wallet Connect and scan this QR code, but you guys can connect however you want. And then you determine how much you want to buy. One Ethereum, you're walking away with 276,000 Pepe Unchained. Now, guys, the price predictions, we're not going to go over them in this video. They are extremely bullish. People believe that Pepe Unchained could easily hit 50 to and I don't think it's going to be easy, but the analysts seem to think that it's going to be easy to hit 50 to 100x increases in Pepe Unchained here. One of the major benefits, staking. They have set aside 30% of the entire supply for staking rewards, which is how they can still afford to pay out 199% annualized interest with over 802 million Pepe Unchained staked at this point. Now, if you come to the About section, you can see why this token's doing so well. It has a focus on meme coins. Guys, meme coins are going to soar in this upcoming bull market because, of course, retail investors are going to return in this upcoming bull market. They're nowhere to be found right now, and you guys can see that out on the stats if you check out trends.google.com and look at the trend analytics for cryptocurrency as a search term. Nobody seems to be terribly interested in cryptocurrency right now, which is why things are as slow as they are. But Pepe Unchained continues to grow. Pepe Unchained continues to see major inflows of $100,000 to $200,000 per day, and it's building a community extremely fast. 11,400 followers out on X. And these guys have, 8,000? Yeah, 5,800 followers out on their Telegram account. Pepe Unchained is building when everybody else is contracting or declining. Pepe Unchained is expanding as others cannot do so. I'm excited about Pepe Unchained because it takes advantage of the Pepe name. Sure, it's one of the most popular meme coins in the entire world, but also because it's building a layer 2 blockchain focused on memes, which are going to grow the most in this upcoming bull market. I want to know what you guys think about them down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.